Hey, and welcome back, you lovely people. What's more satisfying than completing a wordle puzzle in 2 goes? This light, fresh and quick to make spring-like stew, that's what. It's on the table in 30 minutes. A creamy sauce flavoured with dill and lemon coats the seared chicken breasts, perfect with mashed potatoes, rice or pasta as I'm using today. It's ideal for weeknight meals or for when company comes around. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list and let's go through the finished prep as this dish is so quick to make. Here's the measured stock. I've finely chopped the dill. Slice up the asparagus into 1-inch portions, getting rid of any woody stems. Finely dice the onion, zest and juice the small lemon, and get the seasonings, the garlic, etc. all ready. Now let's talk breasts. Calm down, you lot, it's not that kind of show. If your chicken breasts are quite plump like mine, slice them in 2 horizontally. They'll cook a lot more quickly. One breast becomes 2 thinner ones. Get a large skillet or pan and preheat the oil on a high heat. Once hot, add the chicken and don't overcrowd the pan. You may need to do this in 2 batches. As the chicken fries, season them heavily with salt and pepper. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes, then flip each piece over to cook on the other side for another 5 minutes, seasoning as you go. Remove from the pan and set aside on a plate. The chicken should be cooked at this point. Turn the heat down to medium-low and add the minced garlic. Well, that's a bit lively. And then add the onion, being careful not to burn the garlic. After a couple of minutes, add the sliced asparagus and cook for a further 3 minutes. So the asparagus slices are bright green and they're a little bit wilty but still fairly firm and crisp. Add the juice and the zest of the lemon and 1 cup of the chicken stock. Into that goes our dill and the cream, and stir these through to combine. Now it's time to add the cup of frozen peas. Let the mixture come to a bubble and add the butter. This will melt through and give the sauce a lovely glossy glow. Now add back the chicken and any juices that have accumulated and coat with the sauce and heat the chicken through until it's hot. You can also use this time to reduce the sauce a little if you like. And there you have it, light and bright and packed full of veggies. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, leave a like. Better still, subscribe and see all the new stuff coming out. So until next time, bye!